Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how can you get the Melon token airdrop for free. So Melon token is a meme revolution Web3 NFT collect trade event and create NFT protocol and platform. So infrastructure for the Web3 meme revolution protocol platform to collect trade and create meme NFTs on the Melon platform. How can you complete the task for the Melon airdrop so you get eligible for the Melon airdrop for free? So let's talk about how can you join the Melon airdrops. So you have to earn the juice point. First, how can you earn the juice point? Sign up on the campaign. Just click on the claim now button and you will go on the token website and you will start a sign up campaign. That means you have to be enter the referral. If you don't have enter the you have the referral, then you will directly start referring their own, our own, or any other things. You can also use their own referral code, so you can get the every time your friend will complete the sign up, you will get the 1500 juice points. That's a huge. And after then they will reach the 2000 jelly points, you will collect the community able to the juice bonus. That's when what's the price pool, what each you get after the Melon tokens airdrops you are eligible. You will get the 1000 juice token, and the winners is unlimited as much as your friend which do a referral, you do a referral, and your friend and the family is completing the sign up task, so you will get the as much as tokens. And this is the video for the upcoming airdrops Melon token. So hope you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel because we are giving the free update about the airdrops. So we will we will meet you on the next video, and have a good day. Bye bye.